I'm just going to briefly go over another type of plot. This time, instead of just one variable, we have two variables, and it's in particular two quantitative type variables. And we call this a scatter plot. So a scatter plot is a two-dimensional graph plot of pairs. So we would have our XY pairs. Just grab here, XY pairs, and points from two numerical variables or quantitative variables. In this case, I have a data set of cars, so the MPG, the miles per gallon, versus the weight of the car. So the X's would be the weights along the horizontal axis, and the Y's would be the MPG. And we can see then a general trend here. As the weight increases, we have a decrease in the MPG, which makes sense, right? The heavier the car, the less miles per gallon you're going to get. So we're going to look at scatter plots in a lot more detail when we get to correlation and regression analysis later on in the course. Another one, if we're comparing or studying the relationship of two categorical variables, we can use a table. And so cross-tabulation is a way to do that. It's a process for producing a two-dimensional table that displays the frequency counts, so count data for two variables simultaneously. And those two variables must be, we call them categorical or qualitative type variables. So here's the data set. It's incomplete right here. And we have it's summarized here. We can't summarize it completely because we don't have all of the raw data, but we can see that the two categories though is age category and level of job satisfaction. So the ages are organized under 30, 30 to 50, and over 50. And then we have level of job satisfaction, leveling from, I guess it's a 5-point scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we can see that there were 177 participants in this study, and that is how we compare it. So we'll look at these in a lot more detail as we move along through the course.